Few days ago, I made a video posting that I'm bullish in this market, and we have hit all those targets which I was mentioning in my last video. You can see the post here, which I posted on my community channel. We have hit all those targets. And now what? What's next? We will have to get into the chart. And before we get into the chart, I will say that I got a private message on Telegram, and someone requested me to make a tutorial video on Elliott wave analysis. So for those who are beginners in this Elliott wave analysis journey, so I'm making this video for you guys. So this can be a platform where you can take these patterns and this analysis as a future tool to trade BTC or any other asset. So in our previous video, I mentioned that we will come back here and take this liquidity. Why? Because this was the trend line from the bottom here, and we have broken the trend line over here. This market is only runs and takes the liquidity, guys. This is very simple. And if you have 1000 indicators in your chart, this is not going to help you. Only the liquidity part. If you understand this concept, it will help you on your trading journey. When we saw the price broke down here, the normal traders who are especially breakout traders, they saw this trend line broke. So this is the breakout trade for them for a short. And what will be the stop loss? I already talked about this, that this would be the stop loss for them. So the price has to churn over here at this region and get back, take this liquidity over here. It's that simple. In BTC liquidation heat map, you could see that there was a bunch of liquidity sitting over here. So now that we have already taken this liquidity, what's next? If we consider this entire move up being a WXY, then after we have an ABC correction to the downside, this would be another ABC correction to the upside here. Let me mark this ABC first. So this move up here in A, B and C move up. We could slightly go above because I'm still waiting for another move up. So to decide whether I should go short or long. And remember that we are still above this value area high at the moment, and we could still churn over here, create a base, create a foundation over this, make it as a support, and then move towards the upside. I'm not saying that the C leg will extend. C leg might be ending here or probably in the mid 73K region, and then we might get a retrace over here. From here we might get a retrace, make a foundation over here, and then take another move up, because I see another count here that this correction over here is already finished. For a bullish case, I'm not talking about this being in a WXY here. We have to take this. If we have to think about the bullish market over here, then we have to take this an A, B. No, sorry, this is not the B over here. We have to move this B to here. So it's going to be A, B, and then we are heading up for the major move up. And this could be here a 1 2 1 2 structure here. This is 1 and this was 2 bottom, and then we have another 1 here, 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, this was the 1, and we have another 2. So it means we are heading majorly to the upside. And when the price is halting here and the price is churning, this is another fourth wave. I'm expecting here the fourth wave to finish, and then we will hit up higher. Probably just take this high one more time, and then we can think about moving down for the short term. And if we see the base is built here, then guys, we are waiting for another major move up where we can go above 80 or 90K. So that is one part of the analysis. And if let's say this part here is a WXY, then we have an ABC correction to the downside and then an ABC correction to the upside, which makes this entire okay, this makes it could be a WXY here. This is a W because it's an ABC here. This entire ABC as a W, and then an ABC to the upside as a X, and then we come down and sweep this liquidity. Probably can sweep this liquidity first, and then we can check if we can get a bounce. If not, then we will sweep this liquidity as well. So these are the two scenarios which I look, and we are exactly at the center. So to go long or to go short, this we will have to go into the smaller time frame and understand if we can take some scalp short orders or scalp long orders. If we are in really 1-2-1-2 structure, then we are heading very high. I was expecting 82K, but now the targets might change. It might even go more higher than that. Now the Iran and the US has a war closure. It's kind of a closure. I'm not sure if it's going to resolve so quickly. They also have a ceasefire at this moment, so the market really liked this news, and we have a up move at this time. Let's get into 15 minutes time frame and check if we can find some long or short orders where we can scalp this market at the moment. I'm going to delete this 1-2-1-2 structure and also a WXY because we don't have to see things in future for now. I just want to concentrate on the scalp order at this moment. And there is a structure what I see a little bit different from BTC to ETH. I still consider this to be an ABC here. Okay, this is my primary count to be finished over here, or we can get one more sweep up to the like mid-range over here, like 73K, and then we will see where we can go next. But pay attention to this C leg over here. This is the C leg I'm talking about from here to here. We have a 1-2 structure. This is you can count it from here also. We had an impulsive move here, 1 2 3 4 5. So you can take this one as 1, and then all this chop as a sideways chop. This is as a triangle here, and from here this is the bottom of 2. Anyway, it doesn't matter if you take it as a leading diagonal or impulsive move up and then a triangle. The bottom should be this 2 over here, and then we have a 3 4 5. If you can see, we had very deep correction over here, but this 4 did not touch this wave 1 top. That means this impulsive move is still valid to the upside. But if you go to the ETH chart, let me show you the ETH chart. So this was the AB move up. Okay, this is the A. Yeah, this was the A, and the correction B, and then the correction up, which was C. So this is A, and all this correction is B, and then after that, let me draw it for you. So all this is A, and this correction is B here, and this is C. So when we talk about this C leg over here, if you can see, this is the 1, and you can take it as a triangle, or you can take it as a leading diagonal. This cannot be a leading diagonal here. I usually do not use Elliott wave analysis on Ethereum. I don't chart Ethereum, but today just want to show you the difference between Ethereum and BTC price action. So we have a 2 bottom here. One can be this one or this one, whatever you want to take, 1. Okay, but the wave 4 cannot overlap this 1 top. But we have already done that here, if you can see. So this structure cannot be a 1 2 3 4 5. This also cannot be a leading diagonal because we have completely broken this uptrend here. The 5 has to finish over here, and then we can talk about this being this entire range being a leading diagonal. But 5 is broken out, so this cannot be a leading diagonal as well. That makes me think that this 1 2 3 this 3 move, this is not a impulsive move. This is an A. This is a B here, and this was the C wave, because you can see clearly we have 1 2 3 4 5 structure over here. So if this is an ABC, I'm going to delete this impulsive move, and then if we have another ABC to the downside here, we might be in this impulsive move to the upside. If you can see, this is 1 2, all this is 3 over here, and we are waiting for the fourth wave to finish. This could be finishing 1 2 ABC, probably here, and then we have one more push up, probably clearing this liquidity over here, or maybe even hitting 1 to 1. And this can extend, guys, this can extend to 1618 as well, which then makes this move up being ABC. I'm not so sure that we will get this big of a move here, but if we are going to clear this liquidity just on top of this third wave, and then maybe head to the downside, then the bullish count is invalidated and we are heading towards the downside. Let's go back to our BTC chart and see what we can find here. If you see this fifth wave, we also have a 1-2 structure here. We have 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2. This is 3, and now we are potentially in the fourth wave. Could be finished here, and we are heading up higher. Maybe just clearing this liquidity because we have hit already 1618, which I was talking about in my last video as well. We can just clear this to the top, and then we can get a massive move to the downside. So pay attention to those levels which I talked about. We could be clearing this liquidity and then plummet, or we might be heading slightly more higher. So just have to watch the price action, and I will definitely update the price development in my community. So if you're interested, then you're welcome to join. It's for free. And that's the update, guys, for today. And for the tutorial video, I might post it today or maybe tomorrow. So if you like this content, like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.